You're leaving money on the table by booking train tickets directly. I discovered a genius hack using Uber's rail booking feature that gives you 10% back in Uber credit plus Avios points at the exact same prices as regular bookings. Here's the secret triple stack. Book through Uber, pay with a Curve card linked to a Barclay card Avios Plus. On a £60 ticket, you get £6 Uber credit, 60p Curve cash back, and 90 Avios points. That's $750 total value back, a 12.5% return. I use my Uber credit for airport transfers and city travel, so it's basically free money. For regular rail travelers, this adds up to hundreds in savings per year. Small changes, big rewards.